Hi, it's Julia, and welcome back to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Today, we're exploring how rattan and wood can bring your home back to life with natural warmth and texture. We'll take a closer look at what actually makes this look feel so inviting, the key materials and details that create that warm, grounded atmosphere, and most importantly, how you can bring that same feeling into your own space. And it's not just about adding a woven basket here or a wooden bowl there. There are some very specific principles behind why these spaces feel so warm and collected, the way different wood tones are balanced together, how texture is layered without becoming cluttered, and the small natural details that make a room feel effortlessly lived in rather than simply furnished. So, if you love the warm, textured feeling of rattan and wood interiors, but aren't quite sure how to bring that look into your own home, this video is for you. Let's get started. So what actually makes rattan and wood such a powerful combination in a home? Rattan pendant lights bring an instant sense of warmth to a room the moment they're switched on. The natural weave filters light into soft, dappled patterns across the ceiling and walls, creating an atmosphere that feels handcrafted rather than mass-produced. Even during the day, the woven texture adds visual interest overhead, giving an otherwise plain ceiling a sense of quiet character. These fixtures work beautifully above dining tables, kitchen islands, or reading corners. Pair them with warm bulb tones and wooden furniture nearby to let the natural materials echo each other throughout the space, creating a cohesive, layered look. A cluster of 2 or 3 pendants at varying heights can also add rhythm to an otherwise simple ceiling line. A rattan accent chair introduces texture in a way that fabric alone simply can't. Its open weave adds visual lightness to a room, even when the chair itself has a substantial sculptural shape. Because rattan lets light pass through its structure, it never feels heavy or bulky, even in smaller rooms. Rattan chairs pair effortlessly with linen cushions, wool throws, or leather accents. Placing one near a window or beside a bookshelf creates an inviting reading nook that feels curated, comfortable, and quietly stylish. Over time, rattan also develops a soft natural patina, which only adds to its lived-in charm. A coffee table with a live edge or organic, irregular shape brings a sense of nature indoors that perfectly rectangular furniture rarely achieves. The visible grain and natural imperfections give the piece real character, turning a functional item into a genuine focal point. These tables work beautifully with woven rugs, ceramic bowls, and stacked books on top. Choosing a warm wood tone, walnut, teak, or acacia helps anchor the room while softening any sharp, modern lines nearby. Because no 2 organic edged tables are exactly alike, the piece instantly feels one of a kind rather than store-bought. A rattan-framed mirror or wall panel adds texture to vertical space without introducing any additional color. Its natural sculptural shape draws the eye gently rather than demanding attention the way bold artwork might, which makes it easy to place almost anywhere in the home. These pieces pair well with plaster walls, linen curtains, and other woven elements nearby. Grouping a few rattan wall pieces of different sizes creates a layered, gallery-style moment that feels effortless rather than overly staged. This is also an easy way to add texture to a rental home, since nothing needs to be permanently altered. Wooden bead garlands are a small, understated way to introduce natural texture to shelves, mirrors, or curtain rods. Their simple, organic form adds warmth without competing with anything else in the room, making them one of the easiest and most affordable styling details to try. Drape them over a mirror corner or a stack of books for a soft, decorative accent. They pair especially well with ceramic vases and dried botanicals, reinforcing the same earthy, textural language throughout the space. Even a single strand can quietly tie together several other natural elements nearby. If these seasonal styling ideas are useful to you, that's exactly why we make videos like this one. So please subscribe to Beautiful Home Design Ideas if you'd like to keep discovering more ways to bring warmth and natural texture into your space. Woven rattan baskets prove that practical storage can also be beautiful. Their natural texture softens even the most functional corners of a home, from entryways to living rooms, turning a purely practical need into a genuine design opportunity. Use them to hold blankets, magazines, or plants, and mix different shapes and sizes for visual interest. Rattan baskets blend easily into nearly any interior style, offering a timeless update to ordinary storage solutions. Stacking 2 or 3 baskets of decreasing size also adds a simple, sculptural moment to an otherwise empty corner. Simple wooden bowls and trays bring quiet, tactile warmth to coffee tables, kitchen counters, and shelves. Their natural grain adds richness without demanding attention, making them easy to style around no matter the rest of the room's palette. Pair them with ceramic accessories, candles, or a small stack of books for an intentional, layered vignette. Choosing pieces with visible knots or variations in tone adds authenticity and a sense of craftsmanship to the display. A wooden tray in particular is useful for gathering smaller objects into one visually organized grouping. A rattan screen introduces natural texture on a larger architectural scale. Beyond dividing a space, it softens the room visually, letting light and shadow move through its woven pattern in a way that solid furniture never could. These pieces work particularly well in bedrooms, home offices, or open concept living areas. Paired with linen textiles and warm wood furniture, a rattan screen becomes a natural extension of the room's overall material palette. It's also a flexible solution for creating a sense of privacy without closing off natural light entirely. Open wooden shelving brings warmth to walls in a way that closed cabinetry never quite achieves. The visible material itself becomes part of the decor, not just a backdrop for it, which means even a small collection of books or objects instantly feels intentional. Style shelves with a mix of books, ceramics, and small woven baskets to keep the display balanced and uncluttered. A ladder shelf leaning against the wall also adds a relaxed organic angle that feels less rigid than built-in furniture, and it's an especially easy option for renters who can't mount permanent shelving. Combining different wood tones throughout a room, rather than matching every piece exactly, creates a layered, collected look instead of a showroom feel. A lighter oak table alongside a darker walnut shelf feels intentional, not mismatched, especially once a few rattan accents help tie the different tones together. This approach allows each piece to stand on its own while still feeling connected through shared natural material. Balancing warm and cool wood undertones nearby, along with a few rattan accents, ties the whole room together beautifully. Over time, this kind of layered, collected mix tends to feel far more personal than a room where every piece of furniture matches perfectly. Bringing rattan and wood back into your home isn't about following a single trend. It's about reconnecting your space with natural, tactile materials that never really go out of style. By layering woven textures with warm wood tones, and by understanding the small principles behind why certain combinations feel balanced rather than cluttered, you create a home that feels grounded, inviting, and effortlessly elegant in every season. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with us at Beautiful Home Design Ideas. We hope these ideas inspire you to bring more natural warmth into your space. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite idea. We truly appreciate your support, and I'll see you in our next home decorating video.